Now read faster.
Okay. Playing game is important for us. It keeps mind and body healthy. There are two types of game: indoor and outdoor. Indoor game, badminton, chess. Indoor game, badminton, chess, table tennis, etc. And outdoor game are cricket, football, hockey, etc. But the game like the most is cricket. It is also known as gentleman game. There are two teams, each having 11 players. One team bats while the other takes up fielding. There are three forms of cricket: test, one day, and 2020. It is technical as well as a mind game. The twists and turns of this game is its specialty. It is most popular game in India.
Okay, now explain it.
Cricket is the most popular game in India. It have two teams and one team in 11 player. One team batting to second team is fielding. And two type of game, outdoor and indoor. In indoor example is chess, tennis table tennis, billiards, etc. And outdoor game example is cricket, hockey, and kabaddi. It is इतना
It is very popular in India. Like that also you can finish. When you start something to say, you should finish it. Okay? Very good. Our reading is over. Now, speaking part. First question goes to you. What is your favorite fruit and why? Fruit.
My favorite fruit is mango. And why my favorite fruit is mango? It is very sweet and he is a king of fruit.
It is the king of fruit. Very good. Nice. Okay. Next question. If you get up in the morning and there is no school today, that means holiday, then what do you do?
And I am get up in the morning 9 to 10 a.m. and I am 1 hour and I am 1 hour study and I am 1 hour play and I am go to my tuition and I am coming to my tuition and I am मैम सुबह सुबह को ट्यूशन हो जाता है ना
Yes, yes.
कभी कभी तो फिर I am bathing and I am going to play and I am coming in my home and I am study 6 to 9 p.m. and I am eat food 9 to 10 and I am sleeping 9 to 7.
Very good. Nice. Now tell me, do you like holidays? If there is school, if any day school is closed, so do you like it?
The What?
If someday school is closed, that means suppose that tomorrow is holiday. Okay. So do you like that school is holiday? Do you love it? Do you want to remain at home?
हॉलीडे को मुझे स्कूल पसंद है.
नो नो.
Why?
डू यू मतलब हॉलीडे जब होता है स्कूल में, कोई बंद होता है स्कूल में, स्कूल जब बंद होता है तब आपको कैसा लगता है? हाउ डू यू फील देन?
I feel good. Very good.
Okay, why do you feel very good?
I am free.
Free for what? From what?
I have a daily 1 to 4 homework to complete, and Sunday holiday. In holiday, I am play and complete my homework. Time.
Very good. Nice. Next question. If someone pushes you in the playground, one of your friend pushes you and you got down. Okay? You fell down in the mud or what? So what will be doing?
अगर हमारा कोई दोस्त हमें गेम में धक्का दे दे.
And you fell down on the mud. And now what will be doing?
और मैं
You fell down on the mud. Mud means आप जो कचरा हो ना, कचरे में आप गिर गए. Next what will be doing?
I am go to my mother's friend's home and it's complain to his father and mother.
Very nice. Okay. So, very good. Speaking part is over. Now writing part starts. Okay. Please write down. Next, you have to do the same. You have to make it negative, interrogative, and translate it. 3 things you should do. Okay. First of all, please write down. मेरे साथ आओ. मैं थक गया हूँ. उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं कहा. जोर से बोलो. कोशिश करके देखो, काम हो जाएगा. कोशिश करके देखो, काम हो जाएगा. 1 sentence. तुम क्यों नाराज हो मुझसे? मैं तुमसे मिलना चाहता हूँ. ये घड़ी ठीक नहीं है. मेरा दोस्त मेरे घर आया है. सॉरी, आया लिखो. मेरा दोस्त मेरे घर आया. रोज सवेरे उठकर एक्सरसाइज को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं रे?
किसको?
एक्सरसाइज को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
एक्सरसाइज को?
कसरत, कसरत, कसरत करो।
रोज सवेरे कसरत करो।
रोज सवेरे उठकर कसरत करो। कुछ देर के लिए चुप रहो। उसने मेरी तारीफ की। वो रोज नहाता है।